Hi everybody, it's Therese. I'm back with another video, and I promised that I would come back to share the charm that I made for my little tote mini flipbook. And here's the charm that I made. So let me try and get this unclipped. Yep. So how I'm attaching it is I put a jump ring in the middle of my bow here, and I'm going to let it dangle that way. And here are the extra beads that I used, and junk is on my table. Okay, so let me bring you down closer. And here is the charm that I make. I never made a chunky charm before, and I used some chain link that I had in my stash, and I was going to add this to my this little piece and add little charms to it, but I kind of think it looks perfect just the way it is. And all I did was, oh my goodness, it is so pretty. I added a lot of pink and those beads that I used, and the stick pins. Here's a jingle bell. I thought it went well, and it has a really cute sound to it. I added some teal crystals. I don't think they're real crystal, like Swarovski crystals. I just made this little angel. I had a strand of these angel beads, and I added it to it. I thought it was so pretty. I added some buttons, some light blue, teal, and pink. There's a pink button. I can't show these very well. There's some heart charms and butterflies. There's another butterfly charm. So it's really, really pretty. I hope she likes it. It's so, I love it. I have to make some more of these. These were lots of fun to make and easy. And I just used a link, chain, and I just added a whole bunch of beads and pearls and charms that I previously made, and it just kind of went together. I really like how it turned out. So that is my charm for my flipbook swap that I'm doing over at Happy Mail with Tina and Family. So go check her out. I hope my partner likes this, and thanks everybody for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.